How to check all DM in Instagram app. It's very simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So first thing first, you have to move into your application Instagram. Enter your login credentials and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this homepage. Now simply click on this arrow icon at the bottom. You will be able to see all of the DMs of your Instagram. If you scroll down, you'll get to see more. Along with general messages, if you click on request right over here, you'll be able to see all of your message requests. Right now, I haven't received any of the message requests, so it is not available. But for you, if the message request is available, then it will be in this page. Also, you can move into hidden requests. All of the requests that has been hidden will be in this page. So this is simply how you can check all of your DMs on Instagram. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.